Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel your Peacock subscription. To cancel your Peacock subscription, first of all open up a web browser and then type in peacocktv.com in it. Once you get to the homepage of Peacock TV after logging in, go ahead and click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now, you will be able to open up the Who's Watching page. Go to the top right corner and click on the account button. After opening up the account option, under your plan, if you have subscribed to a plan, then you will be able to see it right here. If you are not subscribed to any plans, you will be able to see this text over here where it says not currently subscribed. Look for a cancel subscription option or something similar on the top under your plan, and after you click on the cancel subscription button, you will then be able to cancel your plan for Peacock. Simply follow through the instructions and that's how you easily cancel your Peacock subscription. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.